Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your computer, you might have noticed that during calls, little animations automatically play. While some people enjoy them, others find they can be distracting or even slow down performance, especially on older devices. The good news is that with the latest Telegram update, you can easily turn off these animations in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through the process together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is loaded, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, you'll want to head into the Settings section. Scroll through the list until you see Settings and select it. Inside the Settings menu, look carefully for the option labeled Battery and Animations. This is where Telegram has placed all of the options related to performance, visuals, and effects. Now, once you're in this section, you'll see a variety of choices. But the one we're interested in is Animations and Calls. By default, this feature might already be turned on, and that's why you see extra visuals whenever you're making or receiving a call. To disable it, simply toggle the option off. After you've switched it off, make sure you confirm your choice by clicking Save. This step is important, because if you leave the menu without saving, the old settings may remain active. And that's it. Once saved, your changes take effect immediately. From now on, calls in Telegram on your PC will run without any unnecessary animations. This makes conversations feel smoother, reduces distraction, and may even help improve performance if your computer tends to lag during video or voice calls. It's a small adjustment, but one that can really improve your overall Telegram experience. So next time you're in a call, you'll notice a cleaner, distraction-free interface, allowing you to focus entirely on the conversation. If you haven't yet explored the Battery and Animations section fully, it's worth browsing through, because there are other useful settings there that can help you tailor Telegram to your exact preferences. A few quick adjustments can make your time on the app much more comfortable and efficient.